pwedeng matulungan natin yung mga freshman student natin na mas makilala ang organization ninyo. Salamat! Dolphins, sigaw ng Dolphins.
Paano ba yung sigaw ng Dolphins? Sampulan mo nga sila.
Wala talaga tayo sigaw.
Wala pala talaga, Miel.
Ang sigaw natin ay Yahoo! Yahoo! Yahoo!
Kaya niyo ba yun? Sa mga... Yahoo! Yahoo! Pero tao may ginawa ko. Kasi parang napahiya ko sa ginawa ko.
Ayan. So project tayo. Okay pa ba?
Chiki chaka, chiki chaka. We are in the train of God. We are in the train of God. We are in the train of God's family. We are in the train of God.
When I say chaka, when I say chiki, when I say chiki, 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 chaka. We are in the train of love.
Ayun department nyo.
Nagbabalik na naman ako, guys. Alam ko nagsasawa na kayo sa mukha ko, pero please bear with me. Ayan, so, good afternoon, Dolly friends! Buhay ko ba kayo? Naku, parang natutulog na ata ang ating mga Dolly friends. Ayan, so, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. So, I'm John Luis Rojas. I'm a representative of the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management. So, today, I will introduce both of our boards, which is the Young Restaurateurs and Hoteliers Society and the Tourism Society. And, God friends, we welcome you to the Young Restaurateurs and Hoteliers Society. Discover a space where passion meets purpose. Our booth showcases the creativity, talent, and dedication of the Wonder Agents, bringing our vision, values, and vibrant community to life. Step in, explore, and experience what makes us truly extraordinary. And now, on behalf of the Tourism Society, we welcome you to the Tourism Society, your gateway to adventure, culture, and endless discoveries, where every journey begins with us.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.